Do you currently work a 9 to 5 and want to learn how to trade options or futures without having to quit your job? Well, in this video, I'm gonna break down the difference between options versus futures, and also to make sure you know that even if you have a 9 to 5, you can trade at nighttime. And there are specific benefits of the futures market versus the options market, and I'm gonna break that down in detail here. And to show you, my friends, that you can actually trade around your schedule if you have structure. And finally, that you can grow and learn. You can start from small and grow while you're learning. So let's first talk about options. The options market, the New York session, is open between 9:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. Eastern, okay? So I was a former elementary school teacher, if you did not know, for over 15 years. And in my trading journey, y'all, I had to trade during my school day, right? Because that's when the market is open. That's when the market I like to trade is open. So I had to get creative. I had to work with what I got. So all I did was I looked at my schedule and I marked my levels in the morning before the market opened, and I was able to trade during my breaks, right? I have a lunch break, I have a specials break. Sometimes I might get lucky and someone has my class and I could peek at the charts. So y'all, it is what it is. I took the time I had and I made the money that I did, and I'm so grateful that I did not hem and haw and complain. I just made do with what I had at the time. So what I want to make clear when it comes to options trading, you should not be on the chart for hours at a time. You don't want to be sitting at the charts for hours at a time, my friends, okay? What you're doing is you may have an hour, you may have 30 minutes, you may have 45 minutes, but what you're looking for is your ideal setup. If there's a trade, you take it. If there's not, you don't. That's the simplest way to work with the charts while you have a 9 to 5. Now, if you're so fortunate to have an awesome situation at work, or you're work at home, or your job is so lenient that you're able to look at the charts, so be it. I have lots of individuals in the group that have that setup, okay? But if you do not, go ahead and be creative, create a structure and follow it so that you can actually trade and still keep that 9 to 5. Okay, the last thing I want to say about options trading, there is a part of the brokerage, right? Or a functionality of the brokerage that's called paper trading. And what paper trading does, it gives you the simulation of what the market would moves like, or you get to simulate taking a trade without risking your own money, right? Think of it as like Monopoly money, but in the real stock market. It is a great way to practice how the market moves, how you feel in the market, but also how to see what risk to reward you're going to be getting when you're actually placing a trade. So now let's talk about futures. If you find yourself where your job, your work schedule is absolutely no-go, no phone, no browsers outside of your work schedule or your work criteria, and your boss is breathing down your neck, then futures is perfect for you. The futures market is almost open 24 hours in a day. So that gives you the opportunity to trade early in the morning or late at night. So that is ideal for an individual that has a very strict 9 to 5 or 7 to 7, whatever the case is. You have the opportunity to also trade in the evening or early morning. This is why I'm letting you know, if no one has ever told you, there is no more excuses. There's no time than now to actually get into the stock market and make it work for you. So now when we're talking about futures, if you are strapped for cash, or funding your account is seeming challenging, I don't want that to be an excuse for you to not get started, okay? You'd be looking to get into a prop firm. And with a prop firm, what they do is they're funding you or letting you leverage a account. But in order to leverage this account, my friend, you do have to pass an evaluation. And what this evaluation simply measures is if you're able to manage a risk. And they're going to have certain criteria for you to prove that. But once you have passed that eval, you are going to be able to get funded a $10,000 account, a $25,000 account, and then trade from that. And if you're winning, then you get paid out, or you get the winnings of that, okay? And a typical split, it can be anywhere from a 90-10 split, 90 you, 10% them. All right, y'all. So I hope you learned something new. And most importantly, I hope you see that there is no excuse. There's no other time than now to jump into this market and make it work for you. So guys, listen, if you want to actually learn more about options or futures and actually trade live with our option coach, me, and also our futures coach, go ahead and comment which one you're interested in, futures or options, down below. And if you want to like go right ahead, go ahead and click the link in my description. We trade live every day. We break down trades. We're here for your education, okay? So make sure you go ahead, let me know what you're interested in below. And if you have not done so yet, hit that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more of my awesome videos. Until further, I hope you have an awesome day, a blessed week, and a blessed rest of the year.